Good morning, everybody. I am Adam, aka OG, and this is the Stupid Duty. How stupid is this? We got one of them new Bluetooth front ends on this truck now, okay? What? Grab the handle, put your foot on the post there.
I can't even grab the handle!
You got the ladder pretty far away.
I gotta grab the handle, you told me.
Sorry. Yeah, the may have just lost the transmission in her. I can see that. Yes! And today, we're gonna play Uber for my wife. She's got a couple meetings she's gotta go to, meet up with a friend, do coffee, go to work. So, we're gonna take the Stupid Duty out of the country and we're gonna drive down into the big city. And by big city, I mean really not that big. Not compared to you Dallas or Atlanta boys or anything like that, okay? It's kind of like, more of like a town, I guess, in that sense. But it's big to me, all right? Anyways, let's get on the move. We got the ladder, that way the missus can get in the truck here. I mean, you guys seen this before on the other video. Love her, all right? She's working on her hops. Okay, here you go, baby. We got you. I got a little bit closer. You know the drill. There's the handle. You got to grab the handle. Okay.
Good job. Good job, Mom. No, don't do that. Stop it. You thought Mom's going to get burned.
I was helping. Okay.
Okay.
All right, let's get on the road. You've been asking about turning radius, and it's not super awesome right now. I've got to do a 2-point here out of my driveway, just because it's a little bit tight, but that's okay. Just a little backy up, you know, minor inconvenience, it's no problem. I had to stop and get some fuel in the truck. She's a little bit thirsty, all right? These long trips and everything. A lot of you have been asking me, how's the miles per gallon on this? And we don't rate miles per gallon on this channel. We don't calculate by that, okay? It's miles per mile, okay? SMPs, all right? So SPMs, yeah. It's SPMs, all right? That's how we do it. But SPMs do cost you a lot if you want to know.
Look at her smile.
Videos and photos, you literally have to see it in person.
Oh, so good seeing you. So what do you think?
You gotta have experienced this in person.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
I was kind of hoping that when Melissa said that you were driving, I was like, I hope they're bringing the Stupid Duty.
Well, she said last night, she was like, you know, I'm kind of thinking I want to drive it there myself. She's like, but I don't know, I'm a little bit nervous about doing it.
Well, the tires alone, I mean, Jesus.
You mind holding this? I gotta get the ladder.
Check out the tires. You guys are amazing. Are you gonna start doing this for people?
Yeah, I don't know. I've had a couple people ask. You're gonna love it.
Princess? Oh, and the gentleman.
Yeah. Did I get it too close to the door?
No, we're good.
Hi, Seth. Do I get to get a hug today?
Thank you.
Does he just
So good. You know, we'll see you again, but
so.
Yep. All right, love.
Well, I guess
I'll
I
be back.
pick up the board just once,
Yeah.
so
Yep. All right. See ya. All right, I gotta run over to the sign guy here in Medford. We're getting a logo designed up for the business right now. So go drive over there. They were wanting to see the truck as well and see how that would turn out. So more city driving and evading the police, okay? I got a good good lead on the logo going on and everything like that down here at the sign dude and Medford, Oregon. They're end up creating me some the logo for the company. I mean, they do some pretty awesome stuff already, so pretty excited. Anyways, we got to go pick up Melissa now, drive around town a little bit more, hopefully not get pulled over. I mean, we've been pretty lucky so far. I'm excited about that, man. Maybe the cops just are excited about it, you know, and they dig it and don't want to bother me, and that's cool, dude. But I gotta hop up on this. Man, I tell you what, I've been doing this for a couple weeks now, and I don't think Daddy's lost any more weight. So my idea of having this thing be my weight loss program is not working out so far. We gotta work on parking the truck. All right, I can't be taking up all these different parking spots. You know, we need to do stuff proper. So we're gonna work on getting this thing between the lines. Okay, that's the goal that we need to do here. So let's see here. Get the camera here so you can see the lines. All right. Let's see how we do here. Okay. All right, we're in the line on this side, so I think we're doing pretty good. We should be fine on the other side. I don't think there should be any issues at all, really. Yeah, man, I mean, she looks really good in the parking spot, huh? We're right on the line here. We're looking really great, and oh yeah, you know, that's acceptable. That's 100% acceptable, dude. I mean, I've seen way worse than Walmart, you know, by freaking assholes and stuff like that, so we're actually doing pretty good. I mean, someone could actually park up right next to us, and actually if they were a smaller car, they could open up their door and almost get out no problem. I mean, if you look at it here, they could open up and get out. The door might hit the step there a little bit. I think we're okay. I think we're fine there. I mean, she does, so okay, I could have pulled forward a little bit. If we had the hitch in there, someone could put the hitch. Well, they'd drive under it. They'd actually, the hitch wouldn't go through the bumper of their grill. So I think we're, yeah, meant. You ready to get in, love? You're doing so much better, man.
You made it. You made it.
Oh, wait, yeah.
You need me to help you up there? Huh? I got it. Okay. I like helping out. Okay, doing coffee, catching up with friends. Lissa, it was outstanding to see you. So happy. We're back on the road now. Gonna go to Melissa's work. She's got to do a couple things. You know, it should be all right. Pulling up to her nice, you know, corporate office in this thing won't be like anything that's too flashy, kind of incognito. It's just a regular, you know, F-250. Shouldn't stand out at all. Good job. You're awesome.
Thanks.
Yep. Need a ladder for your wife to go to work. That's awesome. All right. We'll see you in a little bit then, okay?
I'll be out.
All right. All right. Seeing that we got some time to ourselves with the wife in at the job, I want to point out a couple things that's going on with the truck, okay? You guys been asking about turning. Can I turn? Well, obviously, I got down here from my house, okay? And this is roughly about, I don't know. I'll put a Google Maps up showing you X amount of miles that it takes to get here. All right. We had to chop this off. Showed you in another video, okay? Because we were rubbing up against the shackle and the bolt that was right there. So we got all that taken up. We still do rub against the shackle there if I pitch in too hard. Won't be able to fix that problem without four linking, okay? The shackle's just always gonna be there. That's gonna be a problem that we can't get around. We talked about four linking it. That may happen way down the road, but for right now, it's not an option. Our other problem that we're rubbing on is right here at the back, right here where the cab is. Now we've cut all this out here that you can see, but these are the pinch welds that keeps the cab together. And what we need to do is we need to notch all that out all the way back here to the body mount. We can notch all that out so that we get this room back. We'll have to put a piece of metal in here, some sheet metal, weld it up, get our structural integrity back. But that'll allow us to get pretty much a full turn, no problem. And that'll be good. That's what I need right now. But you can see my parking job here. We got her inside the lines pretty well, man. I tell you what, not too bad. I didn't even look at that mirror. This side, yeah, we're right there on the cusp. It's better than the last one, I'll say that. Yeah, I got your stool right here, babe. Got your ladder. Here you go. Was work good?
Work was great.
Work was great. You had a good time? Awesome. All right. All right. Now we got to go get a bite to eat, pick up some parts, and head home. Get back at it.